Greetings everyone, Melissa here, pelvic floor specialist and yoga teacher. We've had a special request from a follower to produce a meditation that is specifically designed to process the feelings of anger and frustration that can come along with dealing with the symptoms of vulvodynia. Vulvodynia is essentially chronic pain in the external female genitalia. And when we experience pain in this region, it can impact so many areas of our life and contribute to an emotional roller coaster. We may have simple pain with sitting. We may have difficulty wearing clothes. We may really struggle with our intimate life with our partner, which impacts our relationships. These things, among many others, can build up over time and create a mound of emotion inside of our bodies. When we suppress our anger and it builds up inside of us, it can contribute to exacerbation of our pain and further buildup of these emotions. So in today's meditation, we're going to practice showing up for ourselves, creating space for anger and frustration to come out so that we can ultimately process these feelings and emotions and feel lighter. So I hope that today's meditation creates that sensation of feeling lighter in your body. One thing to remember is that in any type of pain state, our central nervous system truly runs the show. And a simple modality like meditation can really impact our central nervous system and allow us to heal. In many ways, when we're working with emotions, oftentimes we hear when we allow ourselves to feel, we can allow ourselves to heal. So keep that in mind for today's practice. When you're ready, find a comfortable position, potentially on your back without any pressure on the perineum. Allow yourself to find pillows for supporting the thighs, the head, maybe a blanket to cover you to keep warm for the next few moments while we meditate. Whatever you need to do to create a comfortable and relaxing environment to the best of your ability in this moment to participate in the meditation. So take your time to set up. Once you've found a comfortable seat here, allow yourself to arrive by simply wiggling the body, adjusting the props as needed to ensure that they're supporting you in the way that you like. And we'll begin to fully arrive by tuning in to our breath and our internal experience. So go ahead and close your eyes if you're comfortable, or simply have the gaze downcast if that feels best. And take 3 full deep breaths here, inhaling through the nose, expanding through the rib cage. Open the mouth, audible exhale to release. Good, 2 more times like that, filling up with air, breathing in. Exhale, let it go. Good, final round, expanding on the in-breath. Open your mouth, release. Good, and just simply observe the body here with those 3 breaths taken and your intention to arrive for this meditation. Potentially you feel a bit more present in your body. And just for a moment here, begin to contemplate a general feeling of emotion around your current frustrations or angers that you're feeling around your vulvodynia condition. And allow these angers to be seen. For a moment, take your own spotlight and shine it directly on the emotion. Potentially you're feeling sensations of heat build in the body, or even tightness. Potentially tightness comes in around the throat and the lower back. Just observing where you feel this frustration. And simply allowing yourself to observe your body's experience. Doing your best to not necessarily classify the emotion or the sensation, but simply observing internally without judgment. And so often we suppress our feelings of anger and frustration simply because they can feel like unacceptable feelings. But allow yourself to create this space in this moment of accepting your feelings of anger. It's only natural that we have frustrations and pain, anger and discomfort that come alongside an experience of pain. These emotions are completely normal, and it's important for us to feel them so that we may release them. Otherwise, if we hold on to emotions of anger, they can start to feel a little bit stuck inside of our body. So if you're feeling this heat build internally, and if you feel the need to create any physical movement, you can simply bring in the hands and allow yourself to simply shake. So if you're feeling that emotion of anger, allow yourself to physically shake it off by simply throwing your hands a little bit outwards. And deepen the breath again while you shake if you're choosing to do so. And visualize each time you shake your hands, letting go of a small amount of that anger. And let's move through a little bit of guided muscle contraction and relaxation to also help process this feeling of frustration in the body. So creating your mind's awareness around your specific frustration, and take that frustration and visualize holding it in both of your palms. And what we're going to do is we're going to squeeze the fists together really nice and tight, holding for 3, 2, 1. And then exhale, let the muscle contraction go and let your hands open again. Let's do this for 5 more rounds. Closing your eyes if you came back to the open position. And holding that frustration in your mind. And then create that frustration sensation in your palms. So while you grip your fists around it, squeezing really tight, maybe even scrunching up your face in anger that you're feeling. And then exhale to release, letting the arms and palms relax. Good, a couple more times here, holding that frustration, squeezing it tight, scrunching up any area of the body that wants to participate in this contraction. And then exhale, release the muscles and feel the expansion in your body. 2 more rounds like that. Squeeze the fist tight. Feel the contraction maybe all the way into your shoulders, your neck, and your face. Let yourself feel this frustration. And then exhale to release the fist contraction. Last round here. Breathing in, gathering that frustration, letting it permeate your body. Exhale to release. Good. And simply observe here. Notice what you're feeling in the arms, shoulders, and the neck. Potentially a little bit more blood flow, a little bit more freedom. And allow yourself to observe this process of creating space for our anger, witnessing it, allowing it, holding space for it to ultimately be released. And then if you're comfortable, gently resting your hands on your pelvis and on your perineum, and bring a sense of warmth into this area as long as that feels okay for you. And as you breathe here, continue to contemplate any anger or frustration that you may have towards this area of your body. And acknowledge potentially some harsh words that you may have said to this area of your body in the process of questioning, why me, why now, why this? Allow yourself to feel those emotions. Trying not too hard to think about them or classify them, just allowing them to bubble up as you have this conversation with your pelvis. And as you continue, allow yourself to acknowledge these emotions again as normal. And just take a moment to offer compassion to your pelvis, to this area of your body that is impacted currently. And say to this area of your body, thank you for doing the best that you can do. Thank you for sending me messages of communication that are allowing me to change and transform my life. Offering a sense of compassion and forgiveness to the pelvis. We'll finish with some brief affirmations. Simply repeating the words back to yourself. I allow myself to heal. I release the need to feel angry. I have a choice in how I react. I choose to cultivate compassion and peace. One more time. I allow myself to heal. I release the need to feel angry. I choose how I react. I choose compassion and peace. And with the palms still face up here, take 3 full breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Allow yourself to discharge any remaining sensations of anger, frustration. With each exhale, release. And then just for a moment here, visualize yourself drying off after a hot shower. Maybe the hot shower was bathing in the anger and allowing yourself to feel these emotions. And now the shower has completed. And as you dry yourself off and come back to your essence, feel a sense of freedom. Potentially feeling a bit more light. And know that whenever you need to create a safe space to allow your emotions to come up, there's always a chance of feeling lighter on the other side. Bringing your hands to your heart center here, offering yourself gratitude for showing up today to practice meditation, to create a sense of ease in your body and engage with your nervous system in a way that allows you to activate your relaxation response, which can have a direct impact on any states of pain. Breathing into this gratitude for yourself with a nice full breath into the chest. And an audible exhale to let go. Good. Gently blinking open the eyes, coming back into the room. Thank you everyone for taking the time to participate in this meditation. It takes courage to be with your feelings. Whenever you need to come back here, allow yourself to create the space for your feelings so that you may let go of them. I wish you all the best on your journey of healing. See you soon.